Hello, this is Brad Ashbrook with MAXHUB, and I'm here at a collaboration event with Sennheiser, and we are showcasing some of our more recent products. We have our new version 7 of our interactive IFP, which has three 50 megapixel cameras. If we go ahead, I'll open them up. As soon as you hit camera, the little door unwinds, and you see the three cameras. It's capable of multi-speaker tracking, framing, and intelligent view, which we can show up to 8 people simultaneously. It has a one-touch button to join any number of popular video conferencing software such as Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, and WebEx. You can also host a meeting from this screen as well. The other products that we're highlighting here in the booth is our new MTR Xcore Pro unit with 3 HDMI outputs, a little larger touchscreen. It has an i5 processor running Windows 11. It has a USB inputs. It has a Cat5 connection to the touch panel, so you're able to mount it anywhere. You have a USB-C ingest at the touch panel as well. Plus, you can extend to a second touch panel, which is pretty cool. We're also showcasing our new BM45 speakerphone, which you can link up to 3 of these PoE over Cat5, which can handle a very large room. It also has a new ultrasonic capability, so it knows when you enter the room and will even prompt you on the phone to join. We also have our latest PTZ, which is a 4K 4K 12x zoom. It has speaker tracking. I'll turn it on for you so you can see what happens when you turn it on. The little door slides to reveal the AI tracking camera and microphone. It does speaker tracking, intelligent view as well as framing and presets. It runs over PoE or its own separate power supply, and also has a number of different outputs. Any other questions or want to check out our product, please go to maxhub.com and reach out to your local rep. Thank you very much.